Nice. Okay. Yeah, so we are looking at the World Happiness Report. I'm going to jump straight into the team introduction section and let these guys take it away.
Hi, my name is Ashton and I'm a visual engineer.
Hi, my name is Jayden. I'm also a visual engineer.
Alvin, are you here?
Sorry. Hi, my name is Alvin. I'm a website developer.
Hello, everyone. My name is Christian. I'm also one of the website developers.
Hi, I'm Kailee and I am a model designer.
Hello, I'm the other model designer. My name is Joshua.
Manny, are you here?
I am Immanuel, and I am one of the website designers.
So we chose this data set for 3 different reasons. First, the benefits. The pursuit of happiness provides significant benefits to society as a whole, as well as helping to promote a healthy lifestyle. As a result, people benefit in a wide range of ways, including their performance, health, and relationships. The second reason is decision-making. This World Happiness Report can help people decide where they would want to live. If you wanted to go live somewhere where happiness is the highest, you would look at the information and charts.
Third reason is what drives happiness. You can look at the scatter plots and correlation plots to see what is important for a country to have a high happiness rating.
Our data set describes the happiness levels of all countries. It records down details such as freedom, health, and generosity. Some countries will have higher happiness levels while other countries will have lower levels. These models can help predict future happiness levels of certain countries. Below is a sample of our test data set. The data set shows the country name, the regional indicator, the ladder score, which is our Y values, and then our X values, which are the gross domestic product per capita, the social support that the people receive, life expectancy, freedom, generosity, and the perception that inhabitants have in the level of corruption in their country.
Hello, and welcome to the EDA section of our website. Here we will display graphs of our data to give a better visual understanding of the structure of the information in our tables. EDA stands for Exploratory Data Analysis, and this process allows us to examine data and predict future outcomes. In the EDA section, we chose to include 5 of the most significant graphs that we felt really helped describe this data set. The first graph is a bar graph, showing the happiness score of countries from highest to lowest. Keep in mind that these are all from this year, 2022, although our data set did contain data from 2015 onwards. Hovering over any bar will allow you to see the exact happiness score. Next is the histogram, which is another great way to display this type of information. This graph shows the frequency of happiness scores of countries with a certain range. We can see that the most common score is between 6 and 6.5.
Third, we have a heat map, which we believe was important because it shows connections between different factors in happiness score. The more yellow colors have a higher correlation with happiness score, also called ladder score in our data, and purpler colors have less correlation. It therefore means that the variables with the higher correlation are more important for our prediction of the happiness score. Of course, the diagonal of yellow is each factor compared to itself, so we can just ignore those. But if you hover over any spot, you can see which 2 factors are being shown and their correlation. From this, you can see that GDP and social support have a high effect and generosity does not at all. Next, we created many scatter plots. Believe that this one with happiness scores and life expectancy was a good one to show because there's a clear correlation between the two. And finally, we have a core plus map. This is an important visualization because you can truly see the regions that are happiest and unhappiest. Yellow countries are happier and purple countries are less happy. As you can see, North America, Europe, and Australia seem to be the happiest regions. There's also some missing data in Africa, which didn't affect the performance of our model, but that's the reason why we can't see a distinct color there.
So this is the model choices section, and for the model choices, we have chosen various regression models such as the linear regression, SVM, decision tree regressor, random forest regressor, elastic net, k-nearest neighbors regressor, neural networks or MLP regressor, and the XGBoost or gradient boosting model. It is important for us to create numerous models so that we can obtain the model with the most accurate prediction or the best accuracy. The score that we want to attain shows us how closely related our predictions and the y-tests are. All of the models we use are supervised machine learning models. Down below are brief descriptions of each model that I got from Scikit-learn for anyone that is not familiar with some of the models I have listed previously.
This is a table of the main models that we use and their accuracy scores. As you can see, with linear regression, support vector machine model, and elastic net, these were the simple models which got the lowest accuracy. And with our random forest and XGBoost or gradient boosting had the highest accuracy, maybe because our data set had more things going into the happiness score. And the random forest and XGBoost were complicated models, which helped with the accuracy scores.
Next steps. If we had more time, our group would continue to improve these models and develop new hyperparameter tuning methods. Our goal would be to understand more about how the models work and create a dynamic prediction tool. We would also incorporate interactive graphs with filters. The reason we didn't use Flash for this project was because we felt that our data set didn't really lend itself to user input. Since it was focused more on economic information, but we have looked more at maybe including more filterable graphs and multiple years with multiple years, maybe in the form of a dashboard in a future project. Lastly, we wanted to end this presentation with some final comments from our team. That's the end of our presentation. I hope you enjoyed.